So in this example, we're going to show you how to display the contents of a table that you created in the last video, right? Just a quick recap. In the last video, we showed you how to create a table called gender. And the columns are gender ID, gender short description, long description, record insert date, and record update date. We also provided the comments for your understanding. So gender ID is an auto increment column and also a primary key column as well. So that being said, the select statement begins with the select keyword and is used to retrieve information from a MySQL database table in this example. So you must specify the table name. In this case, the table name is gender to fetch the data from. So using the from keyword, which is right here, you can retrieve information from the table gender, right? And you can see the star symbol here. This signifies that you are specifying to display entire columns in the table gender, right? So for example, if I execute this statement, so it's gonna display all the columns, right? Gender ID, gender short description, long description, record insert date, and record update date in the table gender, right? Let's say you're only interested in a couple of columns. So you need to, instead of star, put the column name by itself, right? Let's say you're just interested in gender short description and gender long description from gender table, for example, right? So you can specify the specific column names of your interest from the table name, and you can execute this. So if you ask me what is the best practice between these two statements, the second statement is the best practice. Always specify the columns of your interest and then execute the table, right? So it's the best practice. So always I recommend you to use the second statement I have showed here.